Let's do something fun. Hey, Jode. Come talk at the camera real quick.
Shalom.
Here, talk at my hidden microphone right here.
Can you hear me?
Yes. You've been a contractor forever and a day.
Mm-hmm.
Basic tools for your house. Hammer. I forgot to say hammer.
Hammer.
Set of screwdrivers.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else comes to mind?
Yes. Channel locks,
Oh, yeah.
vice grips,
Yep.
a small bubble level, like a torpedo level, and those things you can do most stuff with, plus duct tape and baling wire.
Yes. I see a caulk gun.
Yep.
Also highly recommended. I have 8 or 10 caulk guns, and knowing where they are, I never know where the caulk gun is. It's always somewhere else.
Stapler.
Yep.
For sure.
Look at that. That's a framing hammer. There are multiple different hammers out there, from tack hammers to sledgehammers. You probably want a 12 to 16 ounce claw hammer for a basic homeowner with with a shorter handle on it, about yay big. This is for building houses, and it's got a waffle face on it.
You gave me that hammer.
I
Years
did?
ago.
Did I?
Yep.
I was like, this is a good hammer.
It is a good hammer.
I was like, it looks oddly familiar. That's awesome.